Have you ever pondered the intriguing question, how closely are Palestinians and Jews connected by ancestry? The shared lineage of these two groups often gets overlooked amidst the conflict, yet it's an essential part of understanding the complex tapestry of the Middle East. Delving into the depths of history, the origin of Palestinians is traced back to the Canaanites who inhabited the eastern Mediterranean region during the second millennium before the Common Era. The Canaanites, an assortment of ancient Semitic-speaking cultures, were the earliest known inhabitants of Palestine. Over time, invasions, migrations, and intermarriages blended the Canaanites with other populations, giving rise to a unique ethnic group we now know as the Palestinians. Around the same time, the Hebrews, who would later become the Israelites and then the Jews, were also establishing their presence in the region. The Hebrews were originally a group of Semites, sharing similar linguistic and cultural traits with the Canaanites. Over centuries, these two groups interacted, intermarried, and inevitably shared a common gene pool. Fast forward to the 7th century, the Arab Muslims conquered the land, and over the centuries many locals converted to Islam and assimilated into the Arab culture, giving rise to the Palestinian Arabs. This period is significant as it marked the formation of the unique Palestinian identity, blending Arab culture with the ancient Canaanite roots. The Zionist movement in the late 19th century added another layer of complexity to the region's history. Zionism, born in response to European anti-Semitism, sought to establish a homeland for Jews in Palestine. The subsequent influx of Jewish immigrants led to increased tensions with the Palestinian Arabs, culminating in the conflict we witness today. The shared lineage of Palestinians and Jews is a testament to the intertwined histories and destinies of these two peoples. They share not just a common ancestry but also a deep connection to the land they both call home. Yet, this shared heritage has been overshadowed by a century of conflict, fueled by a myriad of political, religious, and nationalistic factors. In summary, the Palestinians, tracing their roots back to the ancient Canaanites, and the Jews, descending from the Hebrews, share a common ancestry. The formation of the Palestinian Arab identity was shaped by the Arab conquest in the 7th century, while the Zionist movement in the late 19th century further complicated the region's dynamics. The shared heritage of Palestinians and Jews underpins the deep-seated connection they both have to the land, a connection that continues to be a central issue in the ongoing conflict. As we navigate the turbulent waters of the 21st century, understanding this shared heritage might provide a fresh perspective on the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, a conflict not just over land, but also over narratives and identities. And perhaps, just perhaps, this shared heritage could be a stepping stone towards a more peaceful future. After all, history has a way of reminding us that we are more interconnected than we often realize.